2003 996, and we've got our Favspeed GT3 cup style muffler bypass pipes. Comply with warranty, comply with emissions, bolt right onto the catalytic converter, so you're good in the eyes of your dealer in all 50 states including emissions. 4.5 inch oval rolled edge tip, bolts right up to the catalytic converter, easy on, easy off. The muffler normally would reside in this spot, and that's it. We're going to go out for sound check, sound bite right about now. Here we are driving in a 2002-2003 996 convertible with the GT3 cup bypass pipes on. Eliminates the factory mufflers, complies with warranty, complies with emissions, just like a GT3 cup car, but it works on all 996 street cars. We're going to make it for the 2004 GT3 when we get a donor car in too. Not too loud when you're not on the gas, but if you jump on the throttle and nail it, it will sound just like a factory cup car on the grid. Downshift the way you do it. It sounds good. If you're going to the track, or you want something that sounds reasonably aggressive but really sounds like a GT3 cup car, the Favspeed muffler bypass GT3 cup style tips will do it for you. Alright, keep driving. And if you don't, when you're not on the power, it sounds good. When you really hit it hard, it's like you're on the Formula 1 grid or in a cup car. Alright, well here we are with the Favspeed GT3 cup bypass pipes for all 996s worldwide, US and foreign. 4.5 inch tips. Bolts right to the cat, no mufflers. Roady and sporty. Slow speed pass, not too loud but aggressive and sporty. High speed buzz in the tower. Nice and aggressive when you're really on it. Blip that throttle when you're downshifting, you can hear what you're doing compared to stock. Now we're going to do the GT3 cup bypass pipes if you're trying to accelerate away lightly in your neighborhood. If you want to leave these on full time, what it's like just to try to go away. Light acceleration is if you're trying to sneak around the track or in your neighborhood, or if you just drive insanely without being on the power too hard. You could live with these daily if you're gung-ho.